Hope, and today I'm going to be doing a cleaning out my car video because I'm really bored. And this is actually not my car, it's my mom's car because I can't drive yet. But basically I'm just gonna do a cleaning out my car video, and I know this is a weird angle right now, but deal with it, you know. So I was basically let's be honest here, I haven't really been putting up videos because one, I'm like really busy, and two, sometimes I just don't know what to make a video of. And also I've been thinking, I think I'm gonna do like scheduled days and try, emphasis on the word try, to actually do them. So I was thinking like I would still do makeup videos on like the days that I'm not doing like a specific video. So I was thinking like Saturdays I could do vlogs, Sundays I could do like a little scripture kind of thing, and you know, and then like Tuesdays I could just do like random Tuesdays and just do like, you know, whatever. And then like other days I could do like a makeup video if I have one. So I don't know, I was just thinking that would be really cool. And even though today is not Saturday, but this will be uploaded on Saturday, so we're just gonna count it that this technically isn't a vlog, but it's okay. Oh right, so we lost our lighting for a hot minute. But so yeah, basically I'm just cleaning out my car, just drying it. This is the front seat. I've gotten this area, like the front half. This is a van, by the way. Gotten the front half, so now we're gonna work the middle, and I'm gonna try and get better lighting because we ran out of lighting. But yeah, it's okay. Anyways, so here's what the front looks like. Alright guys, so here is the little overview of the car. So we have the front part, which is pretty good, clean. And then here's the middle. And then here's the back. I got all the stuff out. I didn't want to vlog that or whatever because like I needed both my hands. And so basically we just got all that. Why is there a rock? What the crap? Okay. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. Here's it from the back. It's freaking lit. So proud of myself. And yeah. Okay, so another weird ankle. Basically I'm in the back right now and we're just gonna clean it out. I legit, not joking, found a decapitated Sophia the First. So kids who are watching this, I'm really sorry about that, but don't even know why we have this because I don't have a little sister. So you know, that's a mood. So we're just gonna see if someone can fix that. So I'm just gonna put that in the home bag. A binky. Oh yeah, my sister has baby dolls that she uses. And then trash. So once again, we're just gonna roll to another time lapse of me cleaning this out. Okay, y'all, so we got the back cleaned out. Here it is. We have the cup holders cleaned out, these cup holders cleaned out, the floor is not cleaned out. Honestly, I'm blinded from what the crap is this? What the crap? Okay, so oh, and there's socks over here. You know, that's great. Anyways, so now I have to take all this out in the cold to my mom's car or studio, and just, it's like endless. I don't even know how I'm gonna carry this. We're gonna figure it out. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It wasn't really that dirty, you know. I thought it was gonna be like super dirty, but honestly, it's not that dirty. So that was good. Didn't have to do that much. I just really I have to take all this out. Oh my gosh. Look at this little chick. Oh, so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go get one of my siblings and we're gonna take this out there. Okay, so here's the middle part. I got all this stuff up, if you can see it. Basically, oh, sorry, I'm being blinded by the light. Got everything, most stuff out of there, and basically, like, there's no clutter and stuff. Basically, I'm not, like, deep cleaning my car, but, I'm basically just, I'm just cleaning it out. Like, it's not like a deep clean, and I'm not gonna vacuum it because there's really no need to. I mean, there is a need to, but, like, it's not something that I have to do because we're just going on a trip to, you know, we're just going on a trip for, like, 3 days. So it's not, like, a big deal that I really need to, like, deep clean it. So I'm just basically, I don't even know what you would call it. Basically, I'm just cleaning it. So now we have the back, and as you can see, there's my mom's picture stuff all right here. And basically, I have to take that out to her studio, which is basically next door, so it's not a big deal. And put all that stuff in there, and it's great. And then there's just some crap back there that I need to clean up. So we're probably gonna go to another transition to another location. And yeah, so let's just get to the back. Okay, y'all, so this is legit the worst angle ever. But, you know, it's okay. So, basically, still cleaning. Had to change positions because I needed to see how much time. It's really complicated, but, basically, had to switch directions. This probably won't go up on YouTube, but if it does, sorry about you, because this was literally just some random thing, and it's really bad. But, give this video a like if you want to see the, like, random Tuesdays, Scripture Sundays, you know, like vlogs and all that. So I'm just gonna get back to it. Okay, so now I am done with the middle part, and now I'm gonna do the back. Here's what the middle part looks like. I'm like legit blinded right now. Here we go again. Okay, so I'm not really sure if y'all can see me. Really hope y'all can. If not, I probably won't post this video. Anyways, so I have 2 bags. I have the stuff that goes inside back, and then I have a trash bag. So right now I already did the first part, as y'all know, and now we're gonna do the second part, even though I can't see squat. So I'm just gonna basically pick up everything and kind of probably do a little time lapse, and then we'll show you the ending results. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so after a good legit like probably 15 minutes, finally got it up there. Y'all probably won't be able to see me that well. I really tried to get it like, you know, set up right, but it's not working. So basically I am gonna go back there. Lighting sucks, but it's okay. So I just like took my shoes off, and I'm just gonna hop on back here. Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I have like bags of how I like clean it out. Are you kidding me right now? 1 second. Okay, we got it. So here I have like just some sunglasses. It's not really that neat, but it's okay. And then we just have like a cleaned out kind of glasses and stuff like that, and I actually need to bring this in. But now we have all of that great stuff. So I'm gonna set this up somewhere, and then we will just get on to it. Basically, you probably can't see, but bear with me. Basically I just cleaned out these. Why aren't these lights working? I'm literally about to cry. But give me a minute. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I know it wasn't much, and I know it was like super like dumb and random, but let me know what y'all thought about this video, and comment down below if y'all are down for the if y'all would like to see like random Tuesdays and scripture Sundays and vlogs on Saturdays, and then makeup videos in between all that. And I will definitely try my best to do that for you guys. That is pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for just supporting me, and for being there and just being amazing. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and make sure to hit the little bell so that way you can be notified when I post videos. Love you guys so much, and see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.